Hey there, fellow property enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to read a property plat map for 2025. If you're thinking about buying land, dealing with boundaries, or just satisfying your curiosity, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a property plat map? It's essentially a detailed diagram of a piece of land, showing boundaries, dimensions, and key features like easements or structures. Think of it as a blueprint for your property, often created by surveyors and filed with local authorities. In 2025, with updated digital tools, these maps might include GPS coordinates for even more precision. To read one effectively, start by identifying the scale. It's usually noted in the corner and tells you how measurements on the map translate to real life. Next, look for boundary lines, which are typically solid lines marking the edges of the property. Pay attention to symbols. Dashed lines might indicate easements, where utilities or public access is allowed, and shaded areas could represent buildings or natural features. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Locate the north arrow to orient yourself. Step 2. Check the legend for any abbreviations or symbols used. Step 3. Measure distances using the scale. Grab a ruler if it's a physical map. Step 4. Note any annotations for things like setbacks or zoning restrictions. And don't forget to verify with official records, as maps can be updated. One common mistake is overlooking adjacent properties, so always cross-reference with neighboring plats. In 2025, many areas offer online access to these maps via apps, making it easier than ever. By now, you should feel confident tackling a plat map on your own. Remember, understanding this can save you headaches in real estate deals or disputes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.